This is gold right here. This piece of paper, I've had it since the 1980s. Pancakes, breakfast, get a pen. Flour, 1 1/3 cups. Serve it. Oh, I can't even remember it anymore. Where's my Tibbs? I need a Tibbs. I couldn't find the one that said Tibbs. I'm using this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide by half. 3 Tibbs. 3 Tibbs baking powder. What's next? Oh. Whoa. That was a punch. We need a pinch of salt, not a punch. That's a pinch. Get in there. Oh. Where's the bad stuff? Oh, sugar. Again, the Tibbs. I need the Tibbs. Hey, Google, how many Tibbs are in a 1/4 cup?
0.25 cups is equivalent to 4 tablespoons. To convert from cups to tablespoons, multiply units of volume by 16.
What the does that mean? I have to do math on a Sunday morning. Unbelievable. Okay, let's say 3 Tibbs of sugar. What's next? Okay, I need a whisk. Where's my whisk? I need a whisk. There's the whisk. Okay, whisk it all up. Whisking. Okay. Little tower. Don't use the one from the bathroom. See that? Oh. All for the camera. Don't worry, I fixed it. Egg. 1. Milk. Supposed to be, oh, I'll use this one. I don't know if I have enough. That's 1. That's good. Where's my butter? My butter! My butter's right there. I need a Tibbs. I really require the one that says Tibbs, and I don't know where it is. Oh, it's in my coffee. No wonder. Duh. Frio. I only need 1/4 of vanilla. Now mix it all up. Let's be gentle though, okay? We're bringing all of our dry. They're becoming friends here. The dry and the wet. Okay, mix them all together. Bring it in from the sides now. That's why we created that tower. Now, if they are too thick, we're going to add a little bit more milk, okay? And right now, I'd say we are too thick. So we've got our extra milk. Add that guy in. This should help right away. Add a little bit more milk. Let's go right in the center though. There we go. Now I'm going to change. I don't want, I'm thinking, cooking this early. It's all for the people. There we go. You know, I'm going to move that guy. If you're going to add blueberries, make sure equal amount of blueberries in each pancake. Equal amount. Do you know the movie that's from? No, too thick still. We want thick and fluffy, but see, I'm out of milk. Almost. Almost. Look at that. No. It doesn't smell right. Now, even I can't do it. That's 11 days. I can't do that. Can't. I'm glad I didn't use that. When I poured it down the drain, there were chunks coming out of it. That would have been nasty. But I've got almond milk as a backup, so that's okay. It'll do in a pinch. There we go. That's much better. It should be a little bit lumpy. See that? Perfect. A little bit lumpy. If you want blueberries, now's the time. Aw, little happy face. You gotta wait until the edges have little air pockets in them. That way you know it's cooked underneath. Me, Andrew. That's a heavy. Were you counting? Is that equal? I don't even know anymore. You see how we're getting the air bubbles? See? Air bubbles? That means it's cooked. Air bubbles coming in, which means we got to flip it. Get around the edges there and just flip it. See? Nice golden brown. Okay? Of the maple syrup stuff. That is like liquid gold right there. Be careful. There you go. Uncle Drew's pancakes recipe I wrote down in the 1980s when I was just a little Uncle Drew. I was a junior Drew. Let's get in it. How do we get in this thing? Where do we attack? Right from here. I go right down the center. Don't worry, we're going to get into peanut butter pancakes, banana pancakes. I got them all. Trust me, I got them all. Oh, equal amount of blueberries. This is it right here. Boom! We've done it again. That's the triangle I'm making. Check that out. Oh, baby! Sunday morning at Uncle Drew's place. Oh, mornings are the best mornings. When they are pancake mornings like this. Wow! I'm going to work right from the top. These are so good. Give them a try. You won't be disappointed. These are fantastic. Wow. Just like, comment, subscribe, and share. You'll start seeing all these recipes. Now I'm going to take off the top part. I'm going to eat that. It needs more maple syrup. Maple syrup is at the sides. I'll get that. Cinnamon and blueberry and sugar. Who would have thought that one, eh? You don't even want to know how much they charge for this in Vegas. And I've had them everywhere. And they are good. Do they match Uncle Drew's? I could go up against any one of them. I know it. These are so good, everybody. These are so good. Go make these right now. You've got the ingredients. Don't ever buy the stuff that's in the box. You don't even know what's in there. You don't need to buy the stuff that's in the box. You've got flour, sugar, butter, an egg, milk. Use almond milk if you have that as a substitute. You can do that too. A pinch of salt. Blueberries in there are optional. You've got your butter, of course, to add in, and baking powder. Did I say sugar? Then you got everything. Wow. I'll show you the recipe. Where's my paper? Oui, mon papier! Look, I'm going to show it all to you. No, you can still... I'm not going to show it all to you. Well, I've got pancakes down here modified for blueberry. Over here, I've got chocolate chip cookies. Insurance Department, Toronto, Ontario. I know where I got this paper from. Whoo! Breaking a sweat. I don't know if I could eat any more. I think I'm tapping out right here. There's going to be a lot of pancakes in the freezer. Wow. Wow. Some people have asked me, Uncle Drew, what do you do with all the food you make? I eat it. I eat it. We do not waste food in Uncle Drew's kitchen. I'm trying to cook and post and cook and post and cook and post so I can empty some of that stuff out and then reload it with the stuff that I'm cooking. It's incredible. This is so good. All right. That's it. Flag. That's it. Tapping out. Okay, maybe one more. Just a little one. There's no way I finish these. There's no way. If I finish these, this is incredible. There's no way I could eat the whole recipe myself. Back in the bodybuilding days, absolutely. No, this would be easy. Rock cheat days, Uncle Drew's cheat days, man, bring it on, Rock. I could show you how to do that properly. If you smell what Uncle Drew is cooking.